RXT is on the move, possibly one of the most active, if not the most active stock for today, the 18th of February 2026. The company disclosed a new strategic partnership with Palantir to deploy and manage Palantir's Foundry and AIP platforms across its own private and sovereign clouds, including plans to scale its engineering team from 30 to over 250 within 12 months. So that's what we're looking at right now. It has resulted in this explosive 201% so far. 284 million shares have crossed the tape. 50-day average usually around 7.3 million shares. So the stock is now showing a lot of strength within a longer term neutral to bearish trend. Yeah, neutral to bearish trend. Okay. The extrapolation is saying that the strength it has may remain in place up till Friday, the 20th. And then after that, we're looking at the prospects of a consolidation towards Friday, the 6th of March. And then after that, a contraction. I mean, naturally, it wouldn't be out of place if a contraction plays out later on. That would be good. But don't bank on this because the stock has now gone parabolic. We don't have any further upper projections because it has gone parabolic. What is going on right now is that fewer market participants are may not be willing to buy this at these levels. So easily as you can imagine, the reverse will be the case. A pullback may begin to play out. Even though it has continued to add more gains. Exhaustion is playing out already. It's also already playing out. At the same time, higher prices may continue to play out. But this is not a time to buy. It looks attractive. $1.3 in a penny stock, AI infrastructure stock, cloud stock, well known, but has underperformed. Severely bearish, neutral to bearish now. But in the interim, people are currently taking profits. There's a huge market out there to get involved, but they are surely not as willing as they were when it as of yesterday. They would have yeah, as willing as they would have been yesterday. For now they are not as keen as they're not as keen. It's a positive. This news with this partnership with Palantir, but at the same time, the reality is that they may not be as keen as they may have been. Let's say yesterday to get involved. So caution is warranted. Let's see how all of this will pan out. A buying opportunity may play out. Let's see. Let's see the next level, the next pivotal projection that was in play as of a few weeks ago. Let's see, it was in play as of the 16th of January. This is we're looking at $1.35. The probability of that playing out, the probability of that being tested. Let's see what we have is statistically higher than 50%. It may have actually done that as well. There's a chance it may have printed those sort of levels. Okay, it didn't do that. Didn't do that. Okay, didn't do that. Yesterday it printed an intraday of $0.39. As of yesterday, or if not even today, it's probably today. Okay, interesting. Yeah, so the point I'm trying to make is that statistically the odds of it testing 1.69 is it? 1.35 is higher than 50%. Statistically, probability of that is higher than 50%, but it doesn't mean it's gonna play out. You know, yeah, higher than 50%. Okay, so yes, the next level will be next pivotal projection not in play at the moment will be $1.43, and probability of that also playing out is also higher than 50% as well. And then we have this rejection here at 1.53, statistically as well higher than 50%. There we go further and see what we have in terms of probabilities. 1.61, okay, just on 50%, just on 50%. this rejection here at 1.84, not up to 50%, less than 50%. So the algos are saying that this momentum we have right now is going to dissipate, going all the way towards the 16th of March. Nothing is expected to it's not expected to sustain this momentum, not at all. Not expected to sustain it. On the weekly chart, we don't have any projections. We don't have any extrapolations. Projections are saying 107. It's a downward projection. Previous projections read as high as 4.67, 4.23, 3.57, 1.2, 2.07. Okay. On the 4-hour chart, a contraction is expected from the close of today's trading session and possibly the resumption of the uptrend from Friday post-market session. Okay, let's see. Let's see how all of this will go. Let's have a look at the market grid and see what we're going to see if it has if anything has played out in terms of price. And okay, no, it's still this is still fresh. This is still fresh. Let's have a look at the 1-hour chart. Or begin. Let's begin with the 3-hour chart to see if there's. We want to see the stock, the market grid, accommodating this expansion. Yes, we have it. We have it. It has so far so good. It's been around 3 hours or longer since this expansion took place. So the grid is between 1.57 and 0.9383, and the stock is at 1.28, just neutral right now between the resistance and the support. So 1.33 is something that can happen. Indeed, up to 1.57. Does it have any resistance? No resistance. So these prices may well print. These prices may well print all the way towards $1.57. But you can't rely on that. Like I said earlier on, it has reached, it is exhausted right now. It has gone parabolic. It has gone parabolic. Caution is warranted if you want to get involved. Caution is warranted. Just know that if you get involved right now, as hot it is, as hot as it is, there's a very good chance that you might lose money. Even though, as we can see here, it looks like there's still higher prices could still print based on what we have here. But you can't rely on that alone. This is just based on the last 3 hours. This is what's this indicating, but it's not all that has happened. Yes, the stock has gained 200%. So caution is warranted. Caution is warranted just for those who want to get involved right now. Indeed, it looks attractive, and I'm just repeating myself. It looks attractive. Penny stock, AI infrastructure stock, Palantir partnership. What could go wrong? I mean, other AI stocks, other AI infrastructure stocks are trading at premiums to it. So it looks compelling. It looks compelling. Let's see what we have on its 1-hour chart. We may see something else totally different. Okay, it has had a rejection. Let's see. Okay, we have even high prices, 1.81, and it's currently at 1.26. So 1.81 is something that can happen as well. And indeed, also as low as 0.8977 is what can equally happen as well. Yeah, okay, so caution is surely warranted. Caution is warranted. Just be really careful getting involved with RXT for now. For now, we need a consolidation. We need a consolidation before getting involved. Okay, so we have been able to digest. Let's see, we have been able to digest some of these price pressure momentums, and it seems the 40-day moving average is indicating the most reliability. Okay, you can see here it's saying that it may remain stable. It may remain stable after. Yeah, it may remain stable. There's a chance we may see some stability at least up till the 2nd of March. Yeah, so but there's no guarantee that that will be the case at all. There's no guarantee that this will be the case. So let's see how all of this will pan out. Let's see whether the 200. So this moving average is the 40-day moving average is gaining 76 cents every day. 76 cents every day. It looks like it's indicating some stability. It looks like it's one moving average that we can more one extrapolation that we can trust. The 200 moving averages, let's see, yeah, as well to some extent. If they're they're pretty much alike, yeah. But it seems the 200-day the 40-day moving average, the extrapolation of stability towards the 2nd of March. But before then, it's slight decline, it's slight ease off, a slight ease in the momentum, which is absolutely natural. Which is absolutely natural. Here is saying that yeah, some ease off. It's expected to ease off somewhat towards tomorrow's the close of tomorrow's trading session. Yeah. Okay. Let's see how all of this will pan out. And thank you very much for watching this video.